today I got some new clothes. I think some of this is for my sister, but here it is. Alright, open this thing. Okay, first I have this one. I think it says something with twin pack. I don't know what it says, but I'll go ahead get open. Ugh. Oh, and this is actually my first unboxing video. So, yeah. I'll probably do some more in the future, but this is my first one. I don't know what exactly what this is. Probably like a shirt or something. I think I'm gonna take this off. Oh, look, apparently these are shorts. Next up, what else can I pull out of this thing? I'll probably pull out something random that I didn't know what that was in here. Okay, this one looks like a shirt. It looks like it's already open. No, actually, no, it's not. Okay. It looks like there's like two things in here. I think there's two things in here. Yeah, there is. Okay, I found this unicorn thing. I have no idea what it is. I think it's a purse. There are these little pants. I think I'm gonna. There's this little shirt, and that little unicorn purse. Okay, this looks really random. I don't know what this is. Okay, this looks so random. Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, there's another unicorn purse. I gotta take that out off of the little shirt. Okay. Here, there are some pants. Nice little pants. And a shirt. I think I found this. It's probably for me because I'm the one who likes unicorns the most. Yeah, there's a little shirt. Here's another one. I feel like this is gonna be like a 10-minute video. I don't know what this is. I think it's a shirt, maybe owl. It looks like it, but like I'm not completely sure. No one in my family told me what this was gonna be, so it's just random stuff that I didn't expect. Got this. Okay, I have these pants, and another shirt. And that is it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.